Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the phone and yourself so enrollment succeeds. Make sure battery is above 20% and remove any case that blocks the sensor. Once done, check settings right arrow about and update MIUI, then reboot to clear temporary issues. Make your finger clean and dry, and wipe the sensor gently with a microfiber cloth. Now go to settings right arrow passwords and security right arrow fingerprint, and tap Add Fingerprint to start the guided capture process immediately. You will now perform the detailed capture. Follow the on-screen prompts and press the sensor gently multiple times, lifting and repositioning the finger between presses. Make sure to vary angle and rotation to capture edges and different contact points. This builds a robust template that reduces false rejects. Press with consistent pressure, not too light and not slammed, and avoid fast swipes. Allow each press to register completely. Once the progress bar reaches completion, save and name the fingerprint. Finish by testing the new fingerprint immediately. Lock the phone and unlock it 3 to 5 times to confirm reliability, and add an alternate finger for backup. You should also enable fingerprint access for apps and payments in the security settings if you plan to use it beyond device unlock. If you encounter failures, make sure to clean the sensor and finger, then delete and re-enroll the print. If problems persist, reset biometric data or update the system to fix driver-related bugs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.